everyone, how's everyone doing? First of all, wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day, and may you all be always happy with your better half, with your loved ones, and may God always keep you blessed with loads and loads of love in your life. So you must be wondering, on a lover's day or on the Valentine's Day, what is an Archangel Michael card doing in my desk? I have picked two cards which I felt I should keep and start this reading. So this is card 1 and this is card 2. I will be doing separately, but this is more like pick a card for you all, so that you can call on Archangel Michael. So what you will do is, for a couple of seconds, you will close your eyes and you'll say, "Dear Archangel Michael, I call and seek your help in helping me to pick the right card for me. I want to know how is my love life. I want to know how is my life in terms of love with my loved one this year." So think of your loved one now. Bring his or her name in your mind, and then you can select whether it is card 1 or card 2. So just think, or if you feel this is too lengthy, you're not able to understand, just close your eyes and say, "Archangel Michael, shall I go with card 1 or card 2?" And then you can choose. I will just be silent for a couple of seconds. So I hope you all have selected. So now coming to card 1. This is the card 1. So we will keep the card 2 separately. Card 1 says romance angels are helping you. So basically, people who have picked this card 1 need some help in their relationship. Maybe the relationship is going haywire, but when I see this card, I feel the fault is equally yours and you are not able to understand the situation and handle the situation with a positive note and with motivation. This is what I feel. So I'm just telling you what I feel, but we will go in detail in reading, because sometimes what we do is we just see one part of the story and then we are not ready to understand the hidden part or the other part of the story, because we are already hurt, or we are already cheated in a relationship, or we are already stressed out in this relationship, that we are not ready to accept that we can make things better. I still remember I was teaching my students today that at a point of time we think that our partner is wrong, but we are so over obsessed and possessive about our partner that we start doing things without our knowledge, out of pure and sheer unconditional love, but they face the brunt. So that's the reason I'm saying that this card says that the angels are there to help you, but you also need to look at the situation and get the help, whatever help you feel is needed. But still, as I said, we will go deep in this reading. One thing I want to say here for those who have picked card 1, pick up rose quartz mandarin as a couple. Ask some crystal healer or someone who you know in your thing to energize it in the name of you and your partner, and keep it in the southwest of your bedroom. And what you can do is, wherever you're keeping this, in the southwest of your bedroom, keep a diffuser there, and every day put in either chamomile oil or rose oil in the diffuser and burn it regularly. And from time to time, add a little bit of rose petals and Himalayan rock salt in your water and your partner's water, and have a bath with it. It doesn't have to be every day. Just do it even alternate days or weekly once. I feel things will change. And on Fridays, if you can just burn a pink candle saying, "My relationship is becoming better and I am being blessed with all the unconditional love between me and my partner till eternity." And in that pink candle, you can apply a little bit of honey and sprinkle in it a little bit of catnip, CATNIP. If you feel catnip is a herb which is difficult for you to source, then cinnamon powder. Do this on every Friday, maybe for 21 Fridays, and I'm sure that whatever is the issue that you're facing right now will get resolved. So let's do a detailed reading. Okay, 2 of wings. Again, do you see this card? I don't know if you're able to see. It's saying balance is needed. So I feel one of you are reacting too much. The first card itself which came, I had said, sometimes we think already this person is done, so again he is doing, already she has treated me, again she has treated. Maybe people change. We think people have not changed, but genuinely maybe some people do change. So here, balance is needed in the relationship. Now this balance can be brought by you, because you are seeing the card reading. Your partner is not seeing the reading today. You are seeing, so you want a help in the situation. You want to come out of the situation beautifully. You want to handle your love life in an amazing way, you want your old love life back, you want to live the life the way you used to live before with your partner, then you need to balance it. You need to see what has to be done. Sit back and think what you used to do in those amazing days when you guys were heads over heels in love with each other, when you guys were, absolutely going gaga over each other. What you used to do? You used to go out for movies, or you used to have candlelight dinners at home. What you used to do? Bring back those magical moments. Sometimes, when you remind your partner of those magical moments, then, it is absolutely fun. And the relationship, whatever is the obstacles or the blockages which we have created, it gets cleared. I am not very good in love readings, but I'm just talking out of my own experience, and I'm just telling you all what I have guided people. I have counseled many people, and they have seen beautiful results. So that's the reason I don't bring in love readings also much, and I just bring in, I think only on Valentine's Day I bring in, because many of my students or my followers and my clients, expect me to bring in a reading that day, and they feel that, I give them a guidance which encourages them to a better bonding between them and their partner. So that's the reason. So if you all also feel that, then like the video, and then leave a comment that you enjoyed seeing my reading, so that, I will keep bringing back every Valentine's Day. And also click the bell icon, subscribe the channel. I always keep saying this. I don't know how many of you all are not doing it. Chalo, now the next one. See how, I just love it when, the cards just go with the flow. What is the balancing to be done? I asked. Possessiveness. Get out of your possessiveness. You're being over possessive. You're being too clingy to a situation or to an issue. I understand your partner is wrong. Some people come and ask me, Pinky ji, is it right that this person, he did this like this to me? She did it. I know they are wrong. But now, can that wrong be, changed by just brooding over it, or fighting over it, or cribbing over it? No. Maybe we explain to them the situation, and maybe we come out of that situation in a beautiful way. Maybe then they understand that, yes, it was my mistake. See, if you go and pinpoint to them and tell them, this is what you did, this is what you did, the person is not going to change. In fact, he's going to think, even if I change, she's not going to trust me, or he's not going to trust me. So I might as well be the same. So instead of that, make them understand how hurt you are, not with fighting and cribbing, out of love, and come out of this possessiveness. I know many people out there, even those of my students who are watching this video, how possessive you are with your partners, but sometimes just a little bit of letting go brings in multiple times of love. One more card I want to pull here. See, the third card, as I said, just letting go of little bit brings in tremendous amount of love. The card has come as Ace of Gems, which is reward. So you will get the reward. You just need to follow my advice. Some of you might be even scolding me. It is easy for her to advise, but she has to be in our shoes to face it. I have been in all these shoes, believe me or not. I have been through everything when it comes in relationships. So I think if I'm saying this to you, then it is out of sheer not only experience, but guiding a lot of people, and when they have balanced their relationships the way I have said, they have seen energy change, and they have seen beautiful changes. So do it, and then the reward will come. But I will still go ahead a little more. Let's see. When I say, you people don't believe me, criticizing one another will only lead to further unhappiness. Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship will magically transform. I wish I could come out of the screen and show you all this card, just to say that, see, what I said is happening. It's just that you people are not listening to me, and you people think, and I'm just advising naam ke vaste. I'm not advising in that way. So stop criticizing. कभी-कभी छूट देनी चाहिए. I mean, कभी-कभी you just need to get a little loose and let go of it. आखिर में I always say, I tell my candle magic students, बकरा हमारे घर का ही बकरा है, हमें छोड़ के कहाँ जाएगा. तो ठीक है, कभी-कभी ना थोड़ा छोड़ो, उनको उनका स्पेस दो, and then the person is all yours. So again, do silly things for them. It says do silly things for me, but I would suggest you do silly things for them, because when you do silly things for them, they will think कितना प्यार से मुझे handle करती है. So see, you treat me like a princess. So he will think, or she will think, your partner will think that you treat them like a prince and princess, and I'm sure they will come back to you. That is all will happen. So go with it, follow my advice, and I hope you all resonated with this. And I hope I was able to give you some guidance, at least some right guidance, which I wanted to give. Now let's go to the card session 2. Also, as I said, get the Mandarin ducks energized by someone, and keep it in the southwest, and follow the advices which I gave, because that will again enhance the relationship to a better level. So card 2, those who selected, believe and trust. I think all of you are having trust issues of late with the relationship, because Archangel Michael is saying replace your fear with faith and trust. Now here I feel you have a fear of your partner leaving you and going. Here it was a different thing where you felt, you're being cheated, but here you feel a fear. So let go of that fear. Michael is there. Why do you need to worry? Sometimes we fear, and when we fear, what happens is, our gut gives all stupid ideas. Our solar plexus works very horribly. Now for those for whom this has come, I would suggest do a solar plexus meditation, or chant on the solar plexus Bij mantra every day, or at least every Friday. And also, if possible, carry or wear, I think wearing would be better, wear a rhodochrosite bracelet, RHODOCHROSIT rhodochrosite bracelet. And if possible, keep 3 tumbles of rose quartz, 3 tumbles of rhodochrosite, 3 tumbles of malachite, MALACHITE, 3 tumbles of clear quartz, and 3 tumbles of amethyst. Totally 15 tumbles in a bowl in the southwest corner of your bedroom. And every Friday, sprinkle or spray rose water around your room. It is very much needed. And if possible, once a week, keep little bit of rose flowers in your room. It is very much needed. So the energies will break up the room, and a lot of positivity will come, and a lot of changes you will see. So as I said, what I was saying is, sometimes the fear of my partner leaving me and going, especially I have seen women who have left their parents and come in love. I have seen, men who have fought with their family just to live happily with the one they love the most. But what has happened is that person has turned out to be the most wrong decision in their life. And that sometimes, we wonder, what will the society talk about us? What will happen to us? How will things change? Is it that, I did a mistake? But instead of worrying, instead of having fear, maybe just, have a trust and faith. I'm not saying here have the trust and faith in your partner, but I'm saying have the trust and faith on the divine, that, they are going to help you out of this issue. They are going to help you to come out of this issue. I hope it is resonating with you all. As I said, if it is resonating, then leave a comment. I would be, happy to know it. Maybe I will bring out some solutions for you people. I'm not sure. Okay. So again, you feel they're not being genuine towards you. You feel your partner is not being genuine towards you. He or she is not understanding your feelings, and they are looking away from you. Whenever you approach them in a romantically way, whenever you speak to them in a positive way, they just look away from you. I understand that, but let us see what has to be done for that. Okay, just face the truth. Be balanced. I would say face the truth. Talk to them. I think sometimes just by talking, situations get sorted out. Just by sharing what you feel, things change. So maybe you need to open up with the truth, talk to your partner, sit to them and tell them, this is what you feel is lacking in the relationship, and what you should do in order to fulfill this part in the relationship. Maybe when you do that, what will happen is they will realize the situation. See the card just come, I feel they will realize the situation. They will sit and think about it, they will ponder on it, and then they will help you. And they will not help you, they will be as a supportive partner for you, as in the way you want a partner. I feel I should pull 2 more cards for this set. I don't know why, so I'm just spinning. Build the relationship. You need to build it somewhere. Building the relationship is important. Let go of whatever he or she has done. Just build it. And when you build it, what happens is it is celebrations. You will celebrate the relationship. You will enjoy the relationship. So why not? Let's do it. Maybe, it is time that we overcome fear with faith, because they say, kill the fear before the fear kills you. I always believe that very strongly. So kill the fear before the fear kills you, and ultimately what will happen is, it will be good. Again, even the card says that imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light. Create room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. So see, if you see here, this is, I feel, is the person, whoever has come for the reading. feeling lost, feeling alone, feeling left out, and feeling hurt that why me and why I love the person unconditionally, why the person is behaving like this with me. But let go of these unwanted thoughts, and I'm sure the person is going to realize, because the way you love him or her truly, I don't think anyone else will love him or her truly, because that is why you're doing the reading. See, so make them see the positive of the situation. When you make them see the positive and make them your best friend. See, it says you're my best friend, but I feel you should make them your best friend and talk to them, and tell them that you want this and you want this to change. And then what happens is life is complete. You will become complete in this relationship. You will feel happy that they are understanding you and they are loving you. And I just hope that these readings have resonated. Do let me know. As I always say, do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified as and when I bring readings. But at the same time, do let me know how you felt when you were hearing me speak all this, because when you tell me, then sometimes I might also bring in some video bringing in solutions for issues related to love. So take care all of you all. Have a beautiful and blessed Valentine's Day, and I shall pray that you all get unconditional love, true love, and pure love that you truly deserve. Blessed be. Thank you.